Hi, when going out on leave or out of office and you want to set up automatic replies from Outlook, here is how to do it. Go to your email account under settings, click on settings, then on the account that you want to manage, click manage, then automatic replies. Now from here, this is the account that I want to set up the automatic replies for. Turn on automatic replies, then send replies. For example, I'm out on leave from today, December 16 to January 7th. So I'll choose this and say I'll be out till January 7th. Or if I wanted to start from 20th, that is when I'll be officially out on leave, then come back January 6th as the first official day. I can block my calendar during this period, call this Christmas break, automatically decline um, new invitations. Then here I'll say I'm out on leave till 6th January 2025, just like that, and then click save. Now it will turn my replies automatically. Anyone who sends me an email or tries to book my calendar, uh, I will receive this message as declined, or automatically can decline that. See that, or because I know there are no meetings there, then do that. Thanks for watching.